Wala pa. Go.
My name is Dindrick M. Gamboa and I'm from BSN 1Y3 M9A. So for today, we're gonna do the return demonstration about offering bed bath, shampooing, oral, and back massage. So now I will review the chart, I will review the medical chart and the medical record. So now I will identify the patient. So ma'am, good afternoon po. My name is Dindrick M. Gamboa, your student nurse for today. May I know your full name po?
Jasmine Galansario.
Birth date po?
May 9, 2005.
Your age po?
20 years old.
Thank you po. Can I check your wristband po to make it sure po? Thank you so much po. So now we're done. So now we're done. I will do the hygiene and wear a clean gloves. So and gather the all equipment. So now I will provide the privacy po to make it sure the patient are safe. And I will close the window po. So ma'am, for today po, I will explain some of the procedures. So ma'am, for today po, I will do offering the bed bath, shampooing, oral, and massage. So now ma'am, can you stand pa? The comfortable position pa. So now I will remove the clothes of the patient. I will the dress. So ma'am, pa, remove pa. Slowly. And I will roll it. So ma'am, this is my position. So now we get the basin and the towel. So I will put the water in the basin. Let's assume that we put the water in this basin. So next, I will put this towel. I will get this towel and I will put the patient to make it sure that there are any leakage. So I will put them. So now I will rinse it. And I will clean the eye of the patient or the downward. So now let's do some. So next the face. Next, let's raise it again. So next the chin, the neck and chin. So next and the ears. So now we're done. So mama will. And the next, I will clean this shoulder and the hand of the patient. And I will get and put the underpad. I will put this back. Next, So we're finished. So let's assume that we're finished in the another A shoulder. So next, I will remove this, ma'am. I will get a new towel po to dry it up. So now, I will clean the abdomen of the patient. We're assumed that we are finished na po. Ito. So let's ready. So, mama, the next po, I will clean your legs po. So, up. And I will get the underpad. Can you raise your legs po? So now, I will sit again. And I will clean again. So let's assume that in the another leg, let's assume that in another leg we are clean and finished. So I will put in try this. So mama, I now remove your underpad po. Okay po. So next, next the procedure, I will offering the patient to the shampooing. Can you stand po? We will do the shampooing po. Po. So now, let's assume that this is another basin. So get the water and raising the patient. And I will get the shampoo. Let's assume that we have the shampoo and put it and rub it. Rinse it again. Now we're done. I will get the new towel. Let us assume that we are finished. So I will offering the patient to brush their hair. So now I will brush your po. So we're done po. Mama, basta na po. So the next procedure, we are offering the patient to brush their teeth. Alright. So mama, can you stand po in the comfortable position po? So today, I will get the toothpaste and toothbrush. I will put toothpaste. Ma'am, can do or I will do na. Ano ba? Split it pa. Get the water pa and gargle. And now we're done. Mama, let us assume that's this is new. So mama will next. So the next procedure, we are offering the patient to the getting a back massage. So mama, Can you do the prone position pa? It's okay po that I will massage you pa.
Yes.
So, I will do the massage, the simple massage. So, mama, we're done na po. How it's feel po?
Okay naman po.
So, mama, back to the position, ma'am. This is spine position po. So now we're done to the offering the bed bath, shampooing, oral, and offering the back massage of the patient. So now I will remove the gloves and I will dispose it. And I will do the unhygiene again to make it safe. And next, I will document na po. So we're done.